So after all the hard labor which the farmer has done, so it's very important that the product or the production of the crops which he has are safely stored and they are sent wherever they are to be consumed. So what is storage? Storage actually is to prevent the crop from moisture, that is insects, rats and other microorganisms, they can damage the crop. So the harvested grains, they have a lot of moisture in them. So what is important is that first they have to be dried, because the chances of spoilage is there when there is a lot of moisture, because then they are attacked by the insects and pests and microorganisms. So it's very important that they are dried before storing. And at home also you must have seen that during the rainy season, the grains which are kept in the kitchen, they absorb moisture. So what your mother does, she takes them out and puts them into the sun for drying, and after they're dried, they are kept back into the containers. So similarly, the farmers also, they dry the grains in the sun to prevent them from getting attacked by the insects, bacteria and fungi. So another way of preventing the attack of pests is by putting dried neem leaves. They are put in the containers which are having those grains. So now the way and the farmers store them on a large scale is, one is the silos. Silos are the big bins which are used for storage on a large scale. Also the grains can be stored in the jute bags or in the metallic bins. And all these grains which are to be distributed are there to be sold. For the time till they are sold, they are kept in granaries. That is to protect them from the pests like rats and insects. And because they have to be stored for a long time and till the time they are dispersed, so there are specific chemical treatments which are done for storage on a large scale. So it's very important that the grains to be stored properly, otherwise the farmer will not get the proper value for them and they will not be fit for germination and they'll not be fit for their consumption. So other than now we read all how the farmers, they grow the crops, the various methods or the various processes which are used. So other than the plant products, even the animal products are being used as food. So for that purpose, the animals are also reared. So this is said to be animal husbandry. So what is animal husbandry? It is the scientific management or the rearing of the animals, and this includes feeding, breeding and heating. Feeding means giving proper feed to the animals. Breeding means breeding high quality of the animals, and heating means protection of the animals from the diseases and keeping them safely. So this is said to be animal husbandry, and this is done for getting the products of animals, for example, meat, milk, eggs, fish and so on. So the farmers, other than the crop production, also have this as business, that is they have the domestic animals, they rear them.